Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back to share some projects that I made using the Hooray paper from Cricut Paper, and a couple projects that I made. Actually, one project that I made using a kind of new to me. I think I got this particular die maybe a month ago, and I just haven't had a chance to use it. This is fairly new to the Sizzix line. It's the Gen Long Thinlits Fold Along, and what I like about this one is I find that it cuts really well on a small platform. So if you have like a Cuttlebug or a smaller machine, this will cut. It doesn't need a large platform or even a long platform, because some of the ones that I've used previously, like the fold-alongs, have needed a longer platform. This one doesn't. So it makes a retro camera. It's super cute. So let me go ahead and show you the camera that I made. So here it is right here. And basically what you do is you fold your paper and then you put your die on there, kind of lining up the edge, and then you run it through. And what it will do then, you'll open it up and it'll create this for you, which is pretty cool. So I just went ahead and layered the different papers on there to make my camera. And then when you open it up, this is what the inside looks like. And I used a die cut from the ephemera for my inside. Super cute and easy. I think this is really cute for Happy Mail. This also makes a really cute little card. And you could even use this as a gift card. So you could put a gift card right in here, and that'd be really, really cute too. So I definitely want to use this die with some other papers, but this is what I made. And then some other projects that I made with using the paper. I made this right here, which is just a really simple little journal. It doesn't have a lot of pages in it. And to make this journal, all I did was take a piece of paper. I think this is 6 by 10.5. And then I scored it, giving myself a 1/4-inch gusset. Then slid in some copy paper, and then I stapled it down the middle. I have a long-range stapler, so I stapled it down the middle, and then I took another piece of the paper over it to cover the staples on the spine. And then this is from the sticker sheets, kind of like a foam sticker that you can buy that goes with the collection. Just says Hooray. And then this piece right here, this frame also came in the ephemera. So I could just put a picture or something in here. I'm thinking about putting this little booklet in my June junk journal. So it's another thing, is going back to making things for my junk journal, having them ready to go for when I actually put together my junk journal. Then I did a really simple memory decks card. Super simple. I just used the foam stickers from that collection and then a little bit of trim up here. Just wanted to test out my memory decks die that I got from AliExpress. And then the last thing that I wanted to share with you guys is a super simple birthday card. So this one is just an A2 size card, and I used the paper here, which is cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and then I had this strip left over from the previous projects, and all I did was use my scallop punch and attach it. And then this card came in the ephemera pack. Just a super simple, easy way to make a card. It says happy birthday to you, and then it's blank inside and can be decorated. So these are all the projects that I made with that Hooray paper. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.